Okay. Now, sorry, the video was cut. Just I just did the back here, call it back, and I attached it. Here, I'm going to make the flap for the front. Okay. So basically, for now, does the flap ranges from 16 of length upwards. So here, since the owner of this shirt is a tall man, and if you look at the front panel of this work, you see that it is tall, and I want I want the flap to get somewhere here towards the belly. Okay, so we take a measurement to see what we have. From here down to this, we have about 17 inches. About 17 inches will be enough for this flap. So the length of the flap will be 17. We're going to cut more than 17. Okay, yes. So I just fold it. Uh, so folding this way, I like folding it from the right side. This is the right side, yes. So it's easier for me to do what I'm instead of folding and folding back again. Um, just do it once. Fold it from the right side, tying it down a bit, and now and we're going to measure the width of the flap is basically um 1 3/4 inches. Yes, so 1 3/4 inches plus all this bending we're going to bend it. I'm going to use 2.5. I'll show you why. I'm going to use 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. It's 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. So I'll take it down. Okay, I'll take it down. So the length of this flap for 17, I'm just going to take about 20. Yeah, it's not much. So here I have about 20. I'll still use this one for the inner one now. So then I just cut it out first. It's always simple to create a simple snipper outfit. A simple one, not complicated ones you design and do all that. So this is it. Uh, open it up. Remember I said we're going to use 1 3/4 inches. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to measure all this and make sure it is up to 1 3/4 inches. Where is the line? Okay, I've seen the line. So 1 3/4 inches should be somewhere here. I'm going to bend this way. So start bending this first one. And that's at this point I'm going to cut. I'm just going to take the full length of this. I'm not going to use it full like this. I'm going to cut it into two. I don't waste my gun. Just split it into two. It helps to manage your material the way you can. And say, it's my customer, so I want to waste one material on the customer now. You have other customers to spend on too. So you calculate yourself, calculate what you can spend at each time for each outfit. Okay, so so you can actually make your profit. You not spend everything on one customer. No. So bring it back, you still have that exact 1 3/4 inches. That's exactly what we have. That's exactly what we're going to use for the plan. Okay. Now that is it. So turn it over to the other side. I'm going to leave about 1/4 inches and bend the rest. Leave about 1/4 inches, 1/4 inches, then bend the rest. Open it and gum it down too. Like I said earlier, this is just a simple burial cloth, so no design, nothing. Just sew it down. Dressing faces for the burial. That's all. It's a simple one. Listen, we left about quarter inches, so that you just sew it. Easier for you to place and sew. This is for the one, the outer one. Then the inner one is just going to be very small, very tiny. We want to do the same thing. We cut 6 inches on that front panel, so we're going to cut about. You can see cut the same 6 inches here. Yeah, they're not, but it shouldn't be less than what you cut there. But yeah, don't just cut 6.5 or 7. Doesn't matter. Then just cut small something. This one can be about 1 1/4 inches, as the case maybe, or 1.5 inches if you like. It wouldn't be much. So you do the same bending we did, so that you bend it to such a way that the one facing out will be half inches. Okay, this is part of where the button is being fixed. Yeah, that's the pressing button. I'm going to add my gum to it. There's some pieces of gum that I reserved earlier for other works, and just lay it down. That's why I reserved it. So we've done this one, so you do the same thing. Use about quarter inches or half of your quarter inches, then half of a quarter inch, yeah. Then you still gum it down. Let's look for pieces of gum. Just gum it down. So the flap for the front and the back is ready. So we just run it down, and here comes the pocket. The pockets will be enough for. Let me just use this for the sleeve and the piping, the neck piping. You can use any pieces of material here. We already cut out in the pockets. Let me see if I can get something nice. If not, I'll still cut out something for that one. I don't seem to see serious one because we actually managed our material. All these cutouts won't be enough to create a pocket. So what do? We have to do something. So here we're gonna check. I have to cut out something. Or we leave the pockets. Yes, we just join these ones and we'll now measure out the sleeve and cut the after cutting the sleeve and the neck piping, we now use the rest of the material to create a pocket. So we don't waste our material. Okay. So you have to be very, very careful when you have limited material for your work. So let's go to the machine.